Hello my friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your phone into a wireless webcam without using any apps or plugins, and it's completely free. This is better than a lot of paid apps as it just works better. So this is called OBS Ninja and it's a browser based program which connects wirelessly to your phone camera and audio. Let me show you how to set this up. So you want to go to Google Chrome and type in search bar obs.ninja and you will see this page. You want to click on create reusable link, so you can call it whatever you want, but I'm going to call it webcam. You also need to click on unlock video bitrate, then press generate the invite link. So the green guest invite link is what we want to send to the phone. You can either do this by using your camera or send a link via email. You should get this on your phone. Share your camera. Click on that, which will open the camera. You can use the front or back cameras on your phone, and once you're happy, click the green button and place your camera in a location you want. So that's your camera all set up and it's already broadcasting. So now we need to set up OBS Studio, and it's the same way in Streamlabs. So we need to go back onto the PC and click on the OBS browser source link, and this will automatically save to clipboard. Now open OBS Studio or Streamlabs, add a browser source. You can call it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it iPhone camera. Press Ctrl plus V into URL and this will add the link you copied before. So now the width or height depends on your camera resolution. So mine is 1920 by 1080. Also click on Control Audio by OBS. Then click on Refresh Browser when source becomes active. Then click on OK. And your camera should be seen on screen. How cool is that? It has very good latency and you can also use the audio from your phone. You can even add multiple phones as a secondary camera, and that is how easy it is. So I do hope this video's helped, and if it has and you're not subscribed, why not? It's also free. Don't forget to hit the like button, as it also helps me with YouTube. So let me know guys what you think of the tutorial, and I will see you in the next video. See you soon.